Once upon a time, there was a little bunny. The bunny had soft white fur and loved to explore the forest. One evening, he hopped along the path, looking at the stars. Suddenly, the bunny saw a little bird. The bird looked sad and cold. "Oh no, are you okay?" asked the bunny. The bird chirped softly. "I fell from my nest." The bunny thought for a moment and said, "Don't worry, I will help you." The bunny carefully picked up the bird, carrying it back to the nest. On the way, they met a small stream. The bunny hopped across, helping the bird stay safe. The bird chirped happily, "Thank you, little bunny." Finally, the bird was safe in the nest. The bird's family chirped joyfully. The bunny smiled and waved goodbye. "Good kids always help others," said the bunny.